In this video, you will learn how to access the full text of articles from databases available through the Dalhousie libraries. As an example, we'll use the database Academic Search Premier, which can be accessed from the Dalhousie Libraries website, libraries.dal.ca, by searching for it on the database's A to Z list. Let's try a search for maple syrup and see what the access options are for the results. When conducting your search in this or any other database that you access through the libraries, it's important to not select the linked full text filter. This will filter out relevant results that can actually be accessed right away. In the results list, we can see that some articles have a drop-down menu with access options. This means the full text of these articles can be accessed directly from the database, either as online text or as a PDF. In some databases, you won't find that dropdown, but you will find a PDF. Some articles do not include a PDF, but instead have the Get It at Dal button. This tells us that the article is indexed or listed in Academic Search Premier, but the full text is not available in this database. If we click on the Get It at Dal button, it will take us to the Novanet record for the article, where we have a list of available access options from other sources. If we select one of the options from this list, it will take us to the full text of the article. In some cases, the full text won't be available in either the database or Novanet. Here is an example. When we click on the Get It at Dal button, we will be taken into a Novanet record, but we do not find a list of full text options like we did before. These articles will need to be requested through the library's document delivery service. Click Sign In, select Dalhousie or King's students and staff, and log in using your NetID and password. Under Availability and Request, there will be an option to request from other libraries. Fill out the form with the article's information as well as when you need the article by, and the document delivery team will find the article and send it to you by email. Thanks for watching. For research guides, live help, other online tutorials, and contact information for the 5 Dalhousie libraries, check out the links in the description below.